All right, everybody, and I got a box of 2009 signature stars for my pal Breckerbros, and I saw his YouTube video the other day. He did a mail day video of some stuff that I sent out, and it was a really nice video. So definitely check him out. And Breckerbros, if you'll add that video to this video when you get a chance, you know how to add it as like a video comment. First chance I get, I'll approve it, and then people can just click the video comment and see your videos. All right, guys. Hear Jamie taping in the background. He's taping like a madman. He's a beast. Bust till the sun comes out. Oh no. All right, Breckerbros looking for the Harper. All right, buddy. Let's see what we can get you. Colton Wong. That is the second one of those, so that is now a right. I learned that joke from my pal Wilson Valdez. Too Splenda. Oh no. Garrett Coyle, USA. Nice card. Got Brett Anderson, top prospect. You know, I can take Visa MasterCard. I still do it through PayPal, but I can take them like over the phone and stuff like that. I just don't like doing it. It's a lot of work. All right, we got Michael Choice. Michael Choice. Manny Machado, USA. Nice card. Jamison Tyon, USA. Cody Buckle. Good old Manny Ramirez, the pizza son of a... Uh-oh, what we got here? Sean Coyle. Red and blue letters out of $4.99. You don't see those very often. Normally it's just one color. One or the other. Bonus. Alex Avila, top prospect. We had a Sean Coyle super collector on Blowout. I forget who it is. Actually, I think his username was Sean Coyle. It might have been Sean Coyle. I don't know. He's somewhere still in baseball, last I heard. He's your big hit this box. Uh-oh, there's a nice one. Nicky Delmonico, USA auto for the Orioles now. Nicky Delmonico. So you still have an auto, right? Must be in this pack right here. Let's see who it is. Wow. These are really, really rare. We actually hit 2 in this case, but normally you don't do that. Sean Coyle, once again. USA auto. These are rarer than almost any other autos other than the patch autos. So, but that should not be your... I thought that was a bonus hit. So let me go through and see if I missed one. Sometimes if the auto is on a, looks like it's on a base card, I'll just completely miss it. I've done that before. Let me just make sure I didn't miss one. I mean, you still got your 4 hits, and one was pretty rare, but I just want to make sure I didn't miss one of your autos. Nope, that's it. All right, so to recap, it's a Sean Coyle hot box. You got the Sean Coyle USA auto. You got Nicky Delmonico USA jersey auto. Sean Coyle dual relic to $4.99. Buckle, Italian Machado, Michael Choice, Garrett Cole, and Colton Wong. All right, bud. That's not a bad box. Not a bad box at all.